If you're watching this video is meant for you. This is a word from the universe.
Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within a column as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty.
So I basically just finished shooting video for my ASMR channel, and I'm trying to cook something in the kitchen, just something really like simple, and doing one or two things while we talk and all of that. So I have a couple of things I'm going to be using, so I'm just going to be taking you guys through it basically. So welcome to my vlog. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So I'm just going to be cooking rice and a very simple stew, because guys, I said I want to start losing weight. My new year resolution is to lose weight but I don't know when I'm going to actually start working on losing the weight, but very soon. So join me as I cook.
For the bottoms of her feet, teach her how to jump and how.
Basically going to be cooking the rice a little bit plenty because we're going to save some in the fridge. I don't have to cook it every day. So basically, probably we'll eat this for like 3 days or 4 days thereabouts. So let me go ahead and wash this and I'll be right back. I'm already like boiling the rice. I'm just going to be saying one or two things. If you're watching this video is meant for you. You are meant to see this. You are meant to hear this. This is a word from the universe. There are times in your life where you feel like things are bad. Whatever it is you are doing is not working. You're not seeing results. You're not seeing anything come out of whatever it is that you are doing. And I get the point. It's a crazy time in your life, but whatever you are doing at that stage in your life, make sure that giving up is not one of them, because it won't work. I don't know if a lot of you guys have been following my journey, but you will know that YouTube has not really been fair to me. And I know that there are sometimes I've already told myself that, you see, I'm just going to give up on this thing. Like, I can't do this anymore. I can't keep getting monetized and demonetized. Do you know, actually at some point I would even abandon the channel, and then again I'll pick it up again. Because see, first of all, if you are going to be a YouTuber or do YouTube, make sure that YouTube is something that you love doing. Make sure that it's something that you love doing, that comes from your heart and your deepest part of your heart. If YouTube is that thing that you want to do to get rich quick, to make money quick, like because you heard that people are making money on YouTube and you just want to do it for that reason, you will not go far. I started doing YouTube because I love editing. See, I really didn't even think about the fact that people actually made money on YouTube, to be fair. I was just doing it because it's something that I like, it's something that I love. If I'm looking for where to just voice out what I'm feeling, YouTube has been the place for me. And I don't even care if it is just one person watching or two persons that watch, you know. I'm just happy that I got it out there. I'm going to excel on YouTube. Basically, make sure it's something you love. Money, you're going to be frustrated, okay? Now let's put that in mind. So hold on, let me check on my rice. Seasoning good. Am I the only one that likes pomo? Can you imagine the amount I bought this thing in the market now? I'm going to be using this for my stew. So, like I was saying, that I thank God, you know, we are back again on YouTube. I'm not here to really talk about YouTube because that's not what I want to talk about. I want to say, because of me, myself, and what I am currently going through in my own personal life, I feel like I'm at the stage of my life where things are actually very terrible and bad. Like, then again, I'm not giving up because I'm surviving. And I want to say that to you too that is watching this video. If you know you're going through that, you know, situation and you're about to give up, even though you have this thing in your mind that something is going to work out, you have a goal, you have a vision of where you see yourself. You have a vision of where you anticipate to be some years from now or some months from now, and something somewhere is frustrating you, and you're feeling like, oh, I'm going to give up on this thing, I'm going to give up on this situation, I'm going to give up. Don't give up on it, don't give up, except it's a toxic situation. Don't give up on it. Don't give up on that goal of yours. Don't give up on that dream of yours, because it would come to pass. So far you keep working on it, you keep pushing, and you keep doing whatever it is that you are doing. Okay, hold on.
Giving flimsy excuses and blaming yesterday and men is the lot of weak people. You need to be strong first in the Lord.
So basically, don't stop whatever it is you are doing. Don't stop believing. Do not stop hoping, honestly, because at the end of the day, that your hope is what keeps you alive. That your hope is what keeps you going, and you don't want to lose it. Trust me, you don't want to lose it. So
even Jesus, on his journey to being the lamb that will be slain for us, he became weary, he became tired, he became fatigued, and the Bible did not hide his frustration. He cried at Gethsemane. In fact, a man had to help him, called Simon of Cyrene, for him to die on the cross. Men can be weary, visions can fade, just like a man's eyes. The Bible tells us a time came, Eli was once a vibrant priest, but something happened in his life. On hearing that the ark of God had been captured and his sons had been dead, the Bible says he fell, broke his neck and died. My goodness, I have seen the mighty cry. I have seen the mighty join the weak to cry. When it has to do with weariness, it is an equalizer. Both the rich and poor experience it. Both the anointed and those who are otherwise experience it. What you are learning tonight will equip you to last. That decades after now, when the storms of life and destiny shift and do their thing, you will be standing as robust as a palm tree. Can I tell you, it is better to not start the journey to life and destiny than to become a story that is a memorial of failure. That someday people will say, there was once a company called ABC, there was once a man of God called ABC, and for the simple reason that you did not have the energy to continue. This is life for you. You need to be strong in the Lord. It takes strength to remain. There are people today who became great, and they started the journeys of their lives with no father and no mother, but they became strong. No siblings, no support, but for as long as I have breath within me, I will take a step of faith. And some of them went to go and write jam by themselves. They went to gain admission by themselves. All they had was money enough to get into the school. Some of them today are company owners. It takes strength to do anything in life. Giving flimsy excuses and blaming yesterday and men is the lot of weak people. You need to be strong first in the Lord. Someone prophesy to yourself, say, be strong.
So keep being the best version of you that you can be, and keep pushing on for that goal, for that success that you're willing to achieve. Work for it. There's some time in life that some things just happen for you to learn some certain kind of lessons, and some situations in your life would actually be a learning ground, whether you like it or not. I know you don't want to learn those lessons, and it seems like life is a little bit hard on you. I feel that way sometimes also, but take the lessons, because you will need it when you finally succeed. Okay, and also you have a story to tell. So basically, do not give up, because giving up is really not an option. So guys, I'm actually done cooking. Like you guys can see, I actually stored the food in the fridge, all the food in the fridge. I took some that I'm going to go and eat right after I'm done talking to you guys. And yes, I actually cooked that for a few days. There's some other things that, yes, of course, that I would eat in between, that we would eat in between, but basically I don't want to be cooking rice all the time. That's why I cooked it, in bulk like that, and saved it all. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to someone somewhere. I hope this video, gets to the right person. if you're watching this video is meant for you. You are meant to see this. You are meant to hear this. This is a word from the universe telling you not to give up. The universe is telling you not to give up, not to back down, and not to fret. All right, keep moving, keep going, keep motivating yourself, and keep doing the things that you love to do, and watch yourself succeed in all of those things. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to keep coming back. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below if one of the words that I said or one of the things that I said actually resonates with you, or you're actually led to share to something. Please do well to share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. My next video might be me literally doing a vlog, or me talking about something that is trendy. You know, on this page I've not really, like, there's no one thing that I'm doing. Like, I literally double into anything. I can talk about the way I'm feeling, I can talk about life, I can talk about anything that literally comes to my head, and I can also talk about trending news, whatever is happening on social media. So please look forward to my next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.